Welcome to the ultimate student accommodation experience in the vibrant city of Cardiff. Introducing the one and only Zenith. Choose from a range of stunning apartments and studios tailored to your unique style and preferences. Each spacious apartment features individual bedrooms with comfortable beds, large study areas, double-door closets, underbed storage, and ample shelving space. The ensuite bathrooms provide privacy and convenience, while the shared kitchens are perfect for social butterflies. And guess what? Every room comes with a smart TV for endless binge-watching of your favorite TV series. Step outside of your door and immerse yourself in a world of amazing social spaces at Zenith. Need a serene study spot? The elegant study spaces have got you covered. And when the sun sets, head to the exclusive Sky Lounge, the ultimate spot for magical summer nights. Looking for some quirky fun? The vibrant karaoke room and state-of-the-art cinema room is waiting for you. The University of South Wales is just a delightful 7-minute walk away, ensuring you never get late when it's time for class. And for Cardiff University students, it's just a quick 7-minute drive. Need to explore the city? Public transit is a breeze, with the nearest bus stop just around the corner. Life at Zenith is like a vibrant confetti of colorful seasons ready for you to embrace every moment. Don't miss out on this extraordinary experience. Book your stay at amberstudent.com and unlock the best of student life at Zenith today.